Welcome travelers, I'm currently on the Maldives and I'm gonna fly to Zurich today on board an Airbus A330-300 of Edelweiss. I arrived at Malé International Airport by boat because my seaplane transfer got cancelled due to the bad weather conditions. Malé Airport isn't that huge and check-in took only about 10 minutes. I sadly got assigned to sit on 18G, but I tried to change my seat after boarding. The duty-free area of Malé Airport is very clean and modern, as well as the rest of the airport. Boarding started on time, but it was prohibited to film the procedure. The cabin of this Edelweiss Airbus A330 isn't the most modern one, but it's clean and quite comfy.
Passenger's hand or stowed away. Please inform the cabin crew immediately if your electronic device gets damaged or produces heat or smoke. If you should lose your electronic device in your seat, do not move the seat and the use of the lavatories is not permitted. For takeoff and landing, make sure that the back of your seat is in a fully upright position, that your tables are folded away and the window blinds are open. Secure infants with the infant's belt, which will be distributed by your flight attendant if needed. Please note that smoking is not permitted on board this aircraft. This includes all...
Even though with a departure delay there are several aircraft holding for arrival into Malé. With our cruising altitude now 32,000 feet, about 9,800 meters on the way towards Zurich, our routing will take us over Oman, just over Muscat, then over
Meal service started right after departure. The food was really good for economy. I slept for a couple of hours and the crew distributed drinks a few times. The service of Edelweiss isn't comparable with the one you probably get on Qatar Airways, but it's fine anyways. Ice cream was handed out mid-flight when I enjoyed my hours of sleep. Some pre-landing snacks later, I got my dinner for this flight, which was really good as well. The IFE of Edelweiss includes recent movies and a wide selection of series and music. All in all, my flight to Zurich was really comfortable, and additionally the seat next to me was empty.
Willkommen in Zürich, meine Damen und Herren, liebe Kinder. Wir bitten Sie, angeschnallt sitzen zu bleiben, bis wir unseren endgültigen Standplatz erreicht haben und das Anschnallzeichen über Ihnen ausgeschaltet ist. Kapitän Peter Wilhelmsen und seine Besatzung verabschieden sich hier ganz herzlichst von Ihnen. Wir hoffen natürlich sehr, dass Ihnen der heutige Flug mit uns gefallen hat und dass wir Sie bald wieder an Bord der Edelweiss begrüßen dürfen. Im Namen der Edelweiss und ihrer heutigen Besatzung wünschen wir Ihnen nun eine gute und vor allem sichere Heimreise. Nochmals eine ganz herzlichen Glückwunsch.
gute Heimreise. Wollen Sie noch nach Bali gehen? Ist gut.
All in all, I can really recommend Edelweiss on long-haul flights. The crew offered me to visit the cockpit as well in the end and was very friendly. I hope you enjoyed this little trip report. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching. See you next time.